Next experiment is going to be the candy acidity test. Have you ever tried a food and thought, wow, that's sour? Sourness is caused by a substance in liquid called acid, and you can tell if the food is acidic or sour by using baking soda and water. To test this, I'm going to use Warheads, which are said to be super sour, Sour Patch Kids, which are said to be sour but sweet, and Airheads, which are said to be super sweet, to see if this concept actually works. Let's get started. First, I'm going to put the candy in 3 separate cups. I'm going to use about a teaspoon of baking soda with water, and if the candy is acidic or sour, it should bubble or fizz. I'm going to put a little bit of water on the Warhead cubes, a bit on the Airhead, a bit on the Sour Patch Kids, and sprinkle it with baking soda. And the reason this should work is because acid contains hydrogen, which combined with the salt, like baking soda, causes a visible, bubbling, or fizzing reaction. It's been about 30 seconds. It looks like the Warheads have some bubbling or fizzing, which means it's probably pretty acidic or sour. The Sour Patch Kids have even more bubbling or fizzing, which means it's probably very sour or acidic. And the Airheads have little tiny bubbles, which means it's a very little bit acidic, but it's probably just going to be sweet to your taste buds. And the Sour Patch Kids are still fizzing, meaning it's by far the winner for the most sour candy. The Airheads are the sweetest, and it actually looks like this experiment is pretty successful.